Okay, in this video, I'll share with you how to collect Google Map data with email. So this is a tools WS Sender. If you want to take this tool, so this tools only goes like $50 for lifetime, and you can easily collect data from these tools. So I'm going to click the grab the Google Map now, and I'll click the start. So I'll put suppose real estate company in California, USA. So click add, then search and connect with your WhatsApp. Then it will come the Google Map. You can see I have reached the California, and I will just click here the grab the email and click start grabbing. So this tools helps me to collect the data. uh, Within 1 hour you can collect like 200 300 data. So you can see the result after few seconds. So I just wait few seconds, and you can see the email. Here is the email ID. So you'll get a like a decorated data, name, phone number, categories, address, website, email, and closing hour, everything, social media link, website, whatever they have on the Google Map. So these tools only extract the data who those website have an email address. That means they extract the data from their website. So let's see, we have got another email, you can see. So we can able to collect all those information. So if you need the thousands of data, or if you need these tools, you can hit me on the WhatsApp. I'll share my WhatsApp in the video description. Thank you so much for watching the video.